Hi guys, today we have a Ranger Crew with us and we are going to be installing a new bracket for the dump bed and then also a lockout pin. One of the issues with these is that they tend to dump when you're riding around and you hit a bump, so basically this bracket does not hold the dump bed down. You can see where the rubber bushing is bumping up and down there. The bracket doesn't lock it down, so we're going to replace the bracket with a different one that we manufactured, and then we're going to install a lockout pin to keep it from dumping altogether. So here's what we have over here. We've got the new bracket. There'll be one for each side, and then the lockout pin. You just need a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket. So Tony's going to go ahead and show you how to install the bracket, and then the lockout pin. He's going to go ahead and do the bracket. Go ahead, Tony. Just going to go ahead and reuse the same bolt. The bracket looks really similar. It's just a little bit different shape. Okay, so we've got the bracket installed on this side. We've already got one installed on the other side. And then we'll go ahead and show you how to install the lockout pin over here to keep it from dumping. So we're going to go ahead and just slide the bracket in, and then once it's positioned correctly, you can put the pin in it, and then with that pin in, you'll not be able to dump the bed until you pull the pin. So take the pin out. Removing the bolt from the latch. So you got your 13mm socket, 13mm wrench on the nut.
These little steps right here have to line up on this surface right here. Now you have to get out of the way there.
Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and lower the dump bed down.
You have to give it a good shove to get it on that new bracket. Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna put the lockout pin in there. You want to describe what you're doing, Tony?
Well, you have to reach up in here and fill the little hole where the pin goes through those two holes. Locate it. It's kind of a tight fit there. Bed
There you go, lockout pin installed. You got to pull the pin to dump it.
reach in here.
There you go. Now you don't have to worry about your bed dumping on you when you're going over a bump or over anything else. Thanks, guys.